amazing. Hello again, everyone, and welcome to part two of Seated and Centered, a chair yoga experience with our guest instructor, Yolander Rivers. We're back from our very well deserved break. So, Yolander, the class is all yours.
Thank you. So, part two. I hope everyone is feeling great. I hope you can see the difference from how you started the class versus how you are in this minute, in the moment. So, again, we're sitting upright, we're relaxing the shoulders from the ears, and we're lengthening the spine. Let's just do another reset. Some breathing as you inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Another deep breath in through the nose. And exhale out through the mouth. One more deep breath in and exhale out. It's just something about we take those deep breaths in and out. It definitely helps reset any moment, any time of the day. All right, let's inhale those arms up. And exhale arms down. Inhale those arms up. And exhale arms down. Inhale arms up. Then I want you to exhale, forward fold over your legs, over those thighs. See if you can place your hands on your toes. Then you're going to inhale, halfway lift your chest off your thighs. And then you're going to exhale, forward fold over the legs again. And then we're going to slowly inhale, rolling up, stacking the vertebrae as we bring our hands together. And then we exhale, hands just turn. Let's do 2 more rounds of that. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, arms down. Inhale those arms up. And exhale, arms down. Inhale those arms up. And then exhale, hinge from the hips as you exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, lifting the chest off your thighs. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale as we reach up, stretching up. Bring those arms together as we exhale, hands. Last one, inhale, arms up. And then exhale. Inhale those arms up. And exhale, arms down. Inhale those arms up. And then exhale, hinge from the hips as we exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale as we reach up, stretching. Bring those arms together as we exhale. All right, let's go to the center of our chair. We're going to walk the feet out, hip width apart. We're going to lengthen the spine. Place the hands on the knees. We're going to take that shoulder to the opposite side. So from here, you're going to take your right shoulder to that left knee. So we're taking it down, and we inhale, we press up. Exhale, take it down, and inhale, press up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Count it down for 3. 2. 1 more of these. Now we're back at the center. So we want to give a little stretch, some attention to the lower part of our back. So we're just going to inhale our arms up. We're going to exhale, take those hands all the way down to your floor or to your mat. Fingertips can touch the mat or to your floor. Just stay here, and you're going to go ahead and drop the head. The front of your head is going to come all the way down. Just a little stretch in the back. Just relax here. Take 1 more full breath. What I want you to do here is take that right hand, place it on the center of the floor on your mat. Take that hand on your hip and just twisting up, opening up the chest. Nice stretch here. A twist and a stretch. Hold it here for 3 breaths. Exhale. Switching it out. Place that left hand in the center, right hand on that hip. Twist up, opening up the chest. Breathe. 3 breaths. And release as you bring that right hand back down towards your mat. Go ahead, tuck the chin in. Slowly roll up. As we bring those arms all the way up toward the sky. Feel that stretch on both sides. And then exhale, take it down again. One more time. Go ahead, place that right hand in the center. Place that left hand on the hip. Twisting up, opening up the chest. Breathe. And release. Switching out. Placing that left hand in the center, right hand on that hip. Twist up, opening up. Breathe. And release. Back to the center. Again, tuck the chin into the chest. That's stretch. Bring those arms all the way. Arms exhale. Okay, let's walk this back in. Stay where you are. Go ahead and extend that right leg out. Most important towards yourself. You want to lengthen your spine. Hinge from the hips. Exhale. You feel a stretch in the back of the calf, back of the thigh. You feel a little stretch in the lower part of your back. If you feel comfortable, and it is, you can grab the toes, grab your ankles, grab your chin, as long as it's accessible to you. Stay here for 3 breaths. Now tuck the chin in as you slowly roll up, right at a time. And it is the last thing that comes up. And again, let's maybe inhale the arms up here, and then exhale. Make sure the hips forward fold. Grab your toes, ankles and shins. Maybe drop the head. Release any stress over here. And release, slowly rolling up. Right at the top. It is the last thing that comes up. Last one here, inhale, arms up. Exhale, or fold over that right leg. Grab your toes, ankles or shins. Breathe. And release as you slowly roll up. Now let's switch sides. Left leg, okay, the leg out. Lengthen the spine with your hand over. Again, see if you can take those hands down your leg. Whatever's accessible to you. Grab your toes, ankles, or shins. Feeling a stretch in the back of the calf and the back of the thigh. Maybe you drop your head here. Take 3 breaths. And slowly release as we roll up one vertebrae at a time as we inhale those arms up. And hinge from the hips as we exhale, forward fold. Last one here, slowly roll up as we inhale, arms up. And again, exhale, hinge from the hips as we forward fold, grabbing toes, ankles, and shins. And breathe. One full breath here. Tuck the chin and slowly roll. Go ahead, bring that left foot back to the mat. All right, let's open up these hips. So you're going to take that right foot and place it on that left thigh. Now, if that is not accessible to you, you can always modify. Just place the foot by your ankle. So we're going to take that foot. We're going to lengthen the spine. You want to press your right thigh down. Lengthen your spine as you exhale and go over that leg. We're just opening up the hip here. And again, go where your body will allow you. Listen to what your body is saying. Take another deep breath in as you exhale. Hold it here. Take 2 more breaths. Release all the way. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale. We're full. Feel that stretch. Feel that hip opening up. Breathe. 2 more breaths. And slowly come up. Good. Last one here. Really press that thigh down this time. Really opening up the hips. Leaning in with the chest. 3 breaths. And slowly all the way up. Let's go to the other side. Go ahead. Take that left foot, place it on that right thigh. And again, you have the option to take that foot to your ankle or your shin, pressing that leg down. Inhale, lengthen as you exhale. Over that thigh. Opening up the hip. Deep breath in and out. Slowly come up. Release. 2 more on this side. Inhale and exhale. Work forward. Really press that thigh down. Opening up the hip. And release. Switch that over. Get this last thing that jumps up. Last one. Your inhale. Lengthen. Exhale. Work forward. And release all the way over. Go ahead and lift that foot back onto the mat or to the floor. We're going to scoot all the way back into our chair. And again, lengthen the spine, relaxing the shoulders from your ears. We're going to take a moment, small meditation here. You can plant the hands again on your thighs, palms down, you're grounding, palms up, receiving. So the option and the choice is yours. In this moment, if you feel comfortable, I would ask that you bring your eyes to the gaze. And in this moment, I want you to really just take this moment to examine the body, see how you're feeling. Do you feel the same way you started in this practice? Were you able to release as you feel the connection of your feet into the mat or into the floor? Feel the support of the chair. You take a deep breath in and out. We follow the movement of the breath as it moves out our eyes. It starts at the crown of our head. Moving between the left and right eye. Reaching the bridge of our nose to our throat as we take a gentle sip. The breath moves down our shoulders to our arms, and our arms. Reaching our wrists, hands, and it moves to the beat of our heart into this going past our hips to our legs, stopping briefly at our ankles and ending at the soles of our feet. Just take this moment of breath as you inhale and exhale. Today, I leave you with this practice feeling centered, calm, and strong. Carry with you the peace within you. Remember that you deserve to treat your body with kindness, with rest, and with joy. I hope you enjoyed tonight's practice. I thank you for joining me. And again, my name is Yolander. Namaste.
Thank you so much, Yolander. This was amazing, and somehow I feel both energized and peaceful at the same time. I don't know how you do that. But thank you so much for joining us. How was your session? I want to ask, how do you feel?
I feel good. I always feel good when I do yoga. It is a place where I find most peace, where I'm able just to let the day go that I may have had. Just again, as I was sharing earlier, being able to just breathe. And that's something we don't do. We just go throughout the day, go, 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 and we just don't take a moment to breathe.
Absolutely. I very much agree with that. And while we're here, I do also want to read some of the chat because we had a very active group today.
Absolutely.
Donna today said, so good after a long or stressful day. I agree wholeheartedly, completely. Thank you for bringing this practice to us and to our audience. I heard wonderful stretch from Julia. Deja said, all right now, I'm going to save this for when I'm in the office. This is good. And that's something that came up a couple times. People were realizing that this is a practice that you could take anywhere. You could take it with you to the office. You can do it while you're at home, as long as you have a chair and you can take a moment to be centered. You can take this practice wherever you go.
It is. It is. It is accessible to any and everybody who needs it. Again, as they said, if you're in the office and you just need to take a moment to pause, take those 3 breaths, maybe do a couple of twists, just bring those arms up, just giving yourself that nice stretch because we can always use it.
Yes, and I noticed there was one more comment from today that said thank you for modifying one of the poses. So, as you had mentioned, it's really important to listen to your body and understand its capabilities. And if you do need to adjust, there are modifications for you. So, thank you for that as well.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Absolutely.
Well, we look forward to having you again. I appreciate your time tonight, Yolander, and thank you all to the audience for joining us. I would like to invite you all to keep an eye out for upcoming Vibrant Learning lessons, since there will be definitely more to come. We are excited to announce the development of the Sage Collective residences that will be available this fall. So, updates are soon to come on this as well. So, expect to hear more about this in September 2026. Thank you so much to everyone for joining tonight. Please do follow us on social media. We are everywhere to be found: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. There you go. And this is where you can find all of that information. Please check out Sage Advice Vibrant Living on YouTube and visit our website at sagecollective.org to learn more about our Sage Advice Vibrant Living programs and to register for upcoming classes. Thank you all for joining us and have a great rest of your night.